Every healthy day begins with a healthy choice.
This is Astha. She believes that food is not just taste, it is health.
For Asta, the kitchen is a place where health is created.
Fresh vegetables and natural ingredients are the foundation of a healthy body.
Clean food brings clean energy to our body. Every vegetable carries vitamins, minerals, and strength.
Healthy food doesn't need extra oil, only care and balance. Protein-rich food builds strong muscles and immunity.
Vegetables keep the body light and active. Whole grains give long-lasting energy.
This is not just food. This is care served on a plate.
A healthy meal feels better when shared. Family time begins with healthy food. Serving health is the greatest love. Healthy food improves digestion, mood, and bonding.
It smells wonderful.
I feel happy already. That's the magic of good food. Good eating habits start in childhood.
Yummy!
That's right, sweetie. Healthy children are every parent's happiness.
So true. This is wonderful.
Yummy, mommy!
I'm so glad.
This healthy meal will bring calm to our body and mind.
It smells wonderful already.
Let's eat.
Small daily choices create a healthy future.
This is really good, Mom.
Your body remembers everything you eat.
Health is the real wealth. You're right, this meal makes us feel so good. Exactly, it's true wealth. Delicious. This is so delicious.
It really is. Great choice. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more healthy lifestyle content.